Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecturer in mathematics, GDC Mahabad, Government Degree College, Mahabad. Today, I am going to explain linear independent set and theorems and problems. What is the linear independent sets? How to define the linear independent? Linear independent means, see, linear independent set. What? See, here linear independent set means, see, linear independent. Okay, you know the indexed set. Indexed set. Indexed set V1, V2, dash dash Vp. Here you take Vf is a vector space. The indexed set, no doubt, the indexed set is a subset of V, no doubt at all. Here also V1, V2, Vn, all are Vp, all are vectors. Some elements, P elements are there, finite set. This is a subset of V, no doubt at all. It is linear independence. How to say it is linear independent? Now consider the linear combination of this set of vectors. Set of all vectors. You consider the linear combination. How to see here? C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 plus and also plus Cp Vp is equal to 0. This is the vector equation. Listen. This vector equation here, C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 plus and also plus Cp Vp is equal to 0. This equation has a trivial solution always. Trivial solutions. Trivial solutions. Trivial solution means, trivial solution. What is that? 0. We substitute here C1. C1 is equal to 0. C2 is equal to 0. Cp is equal to 0. Here substitute C1 0, C2 0, C3 0, Cp 0. Total equation is 0. This is the 0. What about C? This is trivial solution. The trivial solution, there exists a 1. 0, substitute 0. Total equation is 0. What is that C? C1, C2, C. All C's. How many C's is C1, C2, C3, Cp? All C's is equal to 0. Here, V1, V2, dash dash Vp, all are independent vectors. Independent vectors. This set as independent vectors. Given set as independent vectors. Then the set is indexed set. Given indexed set or indicate చేసినటువంటి ఏ సెట్ అయినా సరే ఇక్కడ, that is what see here, indexed set V1 V2 V3 dash dash Vp is a linear independent set. Linear independent vectors are there in the set. That set has linear independent vectors. How to say linear independent vectors? For this vectors, you write linear combination of vectors, these vectors. Linear combination, this linear combination is a vector equation. This vector equation only have trivial solution. Trivial solution means 0. You write all C's is equal to 0. Then this equation, involved vectors in the equation, involved vectors v1, v2, v3 is linear independent vectors. This set has independent vectors, then it is linear independent set. How see linear? All C's, it is important. All C's is equal to 0. How many C1, C2, C3 are there? All C's equal to 0. In case that vector equation have only trivial solution. Only trivial solution, there exists only trivial solution, that is called linear independent set. Otherwise, all C's equal to 0, that is a linear independent. Now, second case. This equation, in sometimes non-trivial solutions also be exist. Non-trivial solutions because not equal to 0. Without 0. 0 కాకుండా ఇంకా సొల్యూషన్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి. Non-trivial solutions. Non-trivial solutions means here C1, C2, all C's not equal to 0. Some exist, some results are exist. All C's not equal to 0. Here all C's is equal to 0. Here all C's not equal to 0. All C's not equal to 0. These vectors v1, v2, v3, dash dash vp, all C's not equal to 0. v1, v2, dash dash vp, in case of vp is linear dependent vectors. Dependent vectors. This set, in case all C's not equal to 0, in case this set as linear dependent vectors, then that set, indexed set, in case indexed set is called linear dependent set. Linear dependent set. This is the definition. Linear independent or linear dependent. Linear independent or linear dependent. This is the case. Now on this, you see one or two information, note information. See here, important this. A set containing only one zero vector. See, a set containing V is contains only 0. First one, it is, these are very important. Note 1, 2, 3 is giving under also theorems. Proof of this is given sometimes 4 marks or Cox University. The set contains only 0 element. Here given first. The set contains only 0 element vector. Only one non-zero vector. Only one non-zero vector. V1 you take. In set V contains only V1. V1 not equal to 0. Only one element is there. That is not 0. That is non-zero vector is always linear independent. Always linear independent. How to say always linear independent? Only one element is there, one vector is there. You consider this vector linear combination. How to write? See, C1 V1 is equal to 0. This is a linear combination of single element in V set. How to see here? C1 V1 is equal to 0. Here this set contains only single element, non-zero element. V1 not equal to 0. ఈ V1 ఎప్పుడు కానీ సున్నా కాదు. Now C1 V1 is equal to 0. When it is 0, C1 is equal to 0. This C1 V1 is equal to 0. See here, condition here, C1 is equal to 0. C1 V1 is equal to 0. Because V1 is non-zero vector. Non-zero vector means here C1, coefficient C1 equal to 0. Then it is this vector equation is 0. If C1 is equal to 0 means all C is equal to 0 according to our topic. All C's is there one C. ఒకటే C ఉంది. ఆ C 0 అయింది. అంటే all C's. C1 is equal to 0. Therefore, all C's is equal to 0. This is linear independent. This is called linear independent. That is the proof of the first note. Second, the set containing only the zero vector is always linear dependent. Okay, now this is case. See, V is a set only containing only the zero vector. In local zero maatrame undi. In case of this is linear dependent. Linear dependent. How to see? Linear dependent etla avutado okasari chudandi. It is zero is there. That set is only singleton. This is zero. ఒకటే ఎలిమెంట్ వెక్టార్ ఉంది, ఆ వెక్టర్ జీరో అయిపోయింది. దట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ జీరో. దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఓన్లీ వన్ వెక్టార్, దట్ ఈజ్ జీరో వెక్టార్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లీనియర్ డిపెండెంట్. హౌ టు సీ? యూ కన్సిడర్ ద లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ జీరో, సింగిల్ జీరో. ఈ జీరోకి లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ మనం తీసుకోవాలి. హౌ టు సీ హియర్? C1 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Now vector is 0. 0 into scalar 0, no doubt at all. Now this vector equation equal to 0 not depend the C1, not depend the C1, scalar C1. ఈ వెక్టర్ ఈక్వేషన్ సున్నా కావడానికి C1 మీద ఆధారపడి లేదు, నాట్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ద C1. C1 into 0 is equal to 0. But here C1 not equal to 0. C1 not equal to 0 means all C's not equal to 0. All C's means one C1 is there. One C1 is not equal to 0. C1 not equal to 0 means that is a linear dependent. This is the case. Second form. It is very important. Listen. 0 only non-zero vector unte that is linear independent అవుతుంది. ఒక్క జీరో వెక్టర్ ఉంటే లీనియర్ డిపెండెంట్ అవుతుంది. థర్డ్ కేస్ listen see. What is third case? The set of vectors which included 0, see this. V is 0, V1, V2, V2, V3, V4, dash dash, you take Vp. Only 0. In case of this linear dependent entered. Linear dependent. How to see here? 0, V2, V3, V4. V1 is equal to 0 తీసుకుందాం here. అంటే ఈ సెట్ ఉంది, సెట్ ఈస్ దేర్. In all elements are there in the set, one of the 0. In case what about see linear dependent? You are going to show linear dependent. How to see? Now consider the linear combination of these vectors. Okay, see. C1 into 0 plus linear dependent. C2 into V2 plus C3 into V3 plus and also plus CP VP is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ C2 0 కానీ C3 0, CP 0 అన్ని జీరోలు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే C0 0 ఇంటూ V2 ప్లస్ 0 ఇంటూ V3 ప్లస్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ 0 ఇంటూ VP ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. C0 C1 నాట్ 0, C2 0, C3 0, C4 అన్నీ సున్నాలే. బట్ C1 నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0. C1 నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0. దిస్ వెక్టర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. Here C1 is not equal to 0. All C is not equal to 0. One of there. One is there not equal to 0. ఒకటి కనీసం ఒకటైనా సున్నా కాకుండా ఉంది. At least there exists one constant not equal to 0. కనీసం ఒకటైనా సున్నా కాకుండా ఉంది. That is represent linear dependent. That is represent linear dependent. That is C1 not equal to 0. All C is not equal to 0. కనీసం ఒక్కటైనా there exists at least one C1 is equal to 0. Therefore, what is C here? Linear dependent. Here it is the case. These three cases is very important. Listen. First, what about C? Only non-zero vector. Non-zero vector, linear independent. Linear independent. Zero vector, only zero vector, that is linear dependent. All vectors 1 of 0, that case is linear dependent. These three cases are important. Now next go to it is very important theorem. See, this is what is a set two non-zero vectors a set, a indexed set. Set means here take indexed set. Non-zero vectors. Non-zero vectors. Two, TWO2. See, here two word is there. Two non-zero vectors is linearly dependent. Linearly dependent. Linearly dependent. If and only if, that is double implies. If and only if one vector is a scalar multiplication of other. Scalar multiplication of the other. This is important statement. This is given under 4 or 6 marks in Kakati University. Already given this statement. See, what is that? The set is two non-zero vectors. Two non-zero vectors. The indexed set has two non-zero vectors. Linearly dependent. You first, this is if and only if statement. First to support linearly dependent, you go to show this condition. Second, suppose this condition, go to show linearly dependent. This is the statement. Listen, see. How to show this? Here first, linearly dependent. First to suppose that linearly dependent. Linearly dependent. Linearly dependent means his set is as only, that is V set only and V1, V2. Non-zero vectors. V1 0 కాదు, V2 0 కాదు. Non-zero vectors. Only 2 is there. Non-zero vectors. Dependent. Linear dependent. Going to show what? See here. Linear dependent going to show one is scalar multiplication to other. You show this words. One is scalar multiplication to other. This. ఒకటి రెండవ దానికి స్కేలార్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అవుతుంది అని చూపించాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద కేస్. నౌ see here. V1, V2 is there here. Now this is linear dependent. Linear dependent means according to our definition, you consider this linear combination of V1, V2. In the linear combination, all C is not equal to 0. This is a linear dependent condition. What's here? C1, V1 plus C2, V2 is equal to 0. All C is not equal to 0. అంటే ఈ వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నా కాదు. దిస్ వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. నాట్ C1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0, C2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0. మరి పోనీ C1, C2 0 అవుతలేవు. మరి V1, V2 0 అవుతాయంటే అసలు ఆ క్వశ్చనే లేదు. బికాజ్ నాన్ జీరో వెక్టర్స్. V1 0 కాదు, V2 0 కాదు. అంటే C1 0 కాదు, V1 0 కాదు, C2 0 కాదు, V2 0 కాదు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కండిషన్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్, how to show it is linear dependent. Linear dependent, all C is not equal to 0s. మరి C1, C2 0, V1, V2 లైనస్ ఉన్నాయి. అవి కానే కావు. ఎందుకంటే what is the condition is given in the statement. What is that? C. Two non-zero vectors. ఇవి సున్నాలు కావు, ఇవి సున్నా. ఇక what is C? Here you write this. C1, V1 is equal to minus C2, V2. You write no doubt according to our mathematical language. C1 is equal to minus C2 by C1 into V2. This represents another answer of B, C, D, like that. V1 is equal to B into V2. See, B is a scalar. B is a scalar. 1 is a scalar multiplication of other element, other vector. So this is the case. When it is linear dependent, it is the case. What about C? V1, 1 is a scalar, B1 is B is scalar multiple of other. This is one side statement. Now second side, you see what you see first, one is scalar multiple to other. You consider what? Suppose that one is multiple of, one is scalar multiple of other. ఇక్కడ V1 ఉంది, V2 ఉంది. 1 ఈజ్ స్కేలార్ మల్టిపుల్ టు అదర్. అలా తీసుకుంటే V1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రైట్ C1, V2. ఇట్ ఈస్ స్కేలార్ C1. యు రైట్ దిస్ V1 మైనస్ C1, V2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. దేర్ ఈజ్ నో ఎనీ 1. 1 ఇంటూ V1 ప్లస్ మైనస్ C1 ఇంటూ V2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఒకవేళ C1 0 అవుతుండొచ్చు, కానీ ఇది 1 0 కాదు. 1 is not equal to 0. It is a constant, it is a constant. You write a C2, no doubt. అట్లా తీసుకున్నా సరే కొంచెం మనకి ఇంకా పలుకోలే. ఇది C1 అనుకోండి. C1 is equal to 1, but C1 not equal to 0. C2 అయినా 0 అయినా సరే కాకున్నా సరే. What is here? Not depend on C2. C1 is not equal to 0. All C is not equal to 0. అన్ని Cలు సున్నాలు కాలేదు. There exists at least one. There exists at least one. ఒక్కటైనా సున్నా కాకుండా ఉంది. Therefore, linear dependent. This is the condition. This statement is, please see, this statement is given under 4 or 6 marks. Given in previous papers. Also, you verify that. A set to non-zero vectors is linearly dependent if and only if one vector is a scalar multiple of other. This is the statement. It is very important statement. Listen. Now next, another theorem. This is also be important theorem. Is also be given in our Koch University. This statement. What is an index set? An indexed set V1, V2 dash dash V3 or VP, you write C, of non-zero vectors is linearly independent, dependent. Double implies here also be statement if and only if is there. If sum of Vj is a linear combination of the preceding vectors. But this is the theorem. What is that? See, the index set V1, V2, Vp is a non-zero vector, is linearly dependent. V1, V2, Vp non-zero vectors. ఇందులో ఏది కానీ జీరో కాదు. సి ఇది లీనియర్ డిపెండెంట్ అవుతే ఏమంటుందంటే వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ సమ్ విజే జే గెట్ ఆన్ 1 అంటాడు ఇక్కడ. ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్. జే ఈజ్ గెటెడ్ ఆన్ 1. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యూ సీ ఇన్ ద థీరం. J get and 1 is linear combination of preceding elements. Ante Vj is a, now show if when it is linear dependent, suppose that it is if and only if statement. First suppose that you are see proof of this statement. Suppose that, what is that? See, linear dependent. Going to show linear combination of preceding elements. This is linear dependent. Here V1, V2, Vp. Linear dependent means you consider the linear combination of this vector. All C is not equal to 0. See here. Now, linear preceding elements means you consider one of the element. Vj is a linear combination of preceding elements, that is before elements. అంటే Vj కంటే ముందొచ్చే ఎలిమెంట్స్తో Vj ఏమవుతుంది అంటే లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ అవుతుంది. Vj ఈజ్ ఏ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. అంటే Vj కంటే ముందొచ్చే ఎలిమెంట్స్తో linear combination ఉంటుంది అంటాడు. That is a statement. See here, linear dependent is going to linear combination of preceding elements. Okay, linear dependent means according to our definition. What is that? See, V1, V2, Vp. You consider the linear combination of these vectors. See, linear combination I am taking here. C1, V1 plus C2, V2 plus and also plus J is given, J minus 1, Vj minus 1 plus Cj, Vj plus Cj plus 1, Vj plus 1 plus and also plus Cp and Vp is equal to 0, all C is not equal to 0. This is the case. All C is not equal to 0. Now going to proceeding elements. Now large one of the element to see Vj. Large of case this. Vj is a large. Now all C is not equal to 0 means all C is not equal. There exist at least some C's are not equal to 0. Other C's also be 0, no doubt at all. Oh, 10 unkondi. 10 C's, C1, C2, C3, 10 are there. Oh, 4 also be 0. Or 5 also be 0. Or 9 also be 0. At least 1. There exists at least 1. You take here large Vj. Now, Vj plus 1, Vj plus 2, up to all also be 0. C1, Cj plus 1. You write this is. Now, write C, large J, C1, V1 plus C2, V2 plus and also plus C3, Cj minus 1, Vj minus 1, Cj, Vj, and you write Cj plus 1 you consider 0 with 0. All C is not equal to 0. Anni C is some are there. Last large number j, after that constants come zeros. It is Vj plus 1 and 0, Vj plus 2 up to plus and 0 into Vj, Vp, that is case. Now here there, this is C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus and also plus Cj minus 1 Vj minus 1 plus Cj Vj is equal to 0. Now 0 constants are removed from this vector equation. See here. What is that? See here. What you are showing? Here you write Cj Vj is equal to, you write minus Cj Vj is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus and also plus Cj minus 1 Vj minus 1. Cj you write outside. Vj is equal to C1 by Cj minus V1 plus C2 by Cj minus V2 plus and also plus Cj minus 1 by Cj minus is Vj minus. It is represent a constant. It is represent a constant. Now see, Vj is equal to A1 V1. This is V1. This is A2 V2 plus and also plus Aj minus 1 Vj minus. What about see, Vj is a linear combination of proceeding elements. Vj minus 1, Vj 10 ఉంది అనుకో, ఇక్కడ 9 ఉంటుంది. 9 అంటే 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 9. V1 V2 V3 up to ఇక్కడ V10 ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ j is equal to 10, V10 is equal to V1 V2 V3 up to V10. ఇక్కడ 5 ఉంది అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ టేక్ Vj plus 5, V1 V2 V3 V4. That is. And what about see, Vj is a linear combination of proceeding elements. దాని ముందున్న ఎలిమెంట్స్తో, వెక్టార్స్తో, ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ముందున్న వెక్టార్స్తో ఏం జరుగుతుంది? లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఉంటుంది. వెన్ అబౌవ్ సపోజిషన్ ఈజ్ లీనియర్ డిపెండెంట్. లీనియర్ డిపెండెంట్ అయితే ఈ సెట్లో ఏ ఒక్కటి ఎక్కడైనా తీసుకోండి. Vj ఎనీ టేచ్ Vj V2 ఈజ్ ఎ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ V1. Vp is a linear combination of Vp minus 1. Vj, Vi, linear middle, Vi. You let you take Vi middle. Vi is a linear combination of Vi minus 1. That is. Now, second one proof is what? See, if and only if statement. Second one proof is, now see this. Vj is a linear combination of proceeding elements. Then going to show linear dependent. Vj is equal to proceeding elements. Mundunna elements raddam. C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus and also plus Cj minus 1 Vj minus 1. You write outside Vj. 0 is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus and also plus Cj minus 1 Vj minus 1 plus, you write this side, minus 1 into plus minus 1 into Vj plus, you write, see, no doubt, Vj plus 1 Vj plus 1, right, plus is 0 to round 0 0 into Vj plus 2 plus sign also plus 0 into Vp. See this. Here Vj is equal to preceding elements. First above considered words. Vj is a linear combination of preceding elements. Now here linear dependent. Going to show linear dependent. Now see, Vj is a linear combination preceding elements to తీసుకున్నాను. I am with this linear combination with preceding elements of Vj. You see, 0 is equal to V1, V2, this is, Vj you write outside, that is minus Vj out to 0, 0, 0, 0. Here what linear dependent, no doubt. C1 0 అయినా, C2 0 అయినా, Cj 0 అయినా, ఇవన్నీ Cలు అన్నీ 0 లైన్. ఇది మైనస్ 1తో ఉంది చూడండి. నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0. Vj, Cj is not equal to 0. Is 1 is there. There exists at least one C not equal to 0. Therefore, all C is not equal to 0. All C is not equal to 0. This is the process. Now, what about C? This theorem. What about totally? What is that C? What is totally? Is the statement is an indexed set V1, V2, V3 of non-zero vectors is linearly independent. Linearly dependent if and only if Vj, Jj is a linear combination of preceding. Here one of the note, J greater than 1. How to J greater than 1? ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. 2 elements are there. 2 elements ఉంటేనే కదా ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉండేది. ఒకటికి ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉండదు. దెర్ ఈజ్ యూ టేక్ V1 ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ హౌ టు సే నో దట్. అందుకే 2 కంటే J ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 1. వాట్ ఈజ్ లార్జర్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్? దట్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 1. ఏదైతే పెద్దగా తీసుకున్నామో ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఒకటే తీసుకుంటే కుదరదు. బికాస్ నో ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. థియరమ్ ఈజ్ దే నో ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ముందున్న ఎలిమెంట్స్తో లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఉంటుంది అని చెప్తాడు. ఇట్ ఈస్ అవర్ సి హియర్ Vj is greater than 1. This is the important. J greater than 1 is, some authors are write directly 2 or more elements in the statement is given. రెండు కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలని కూడా చెప్తారు. J greater than 2. J is equal to 2 అని కూడా కొంతమంది చెప్తారు స్టేట్మెంట్లో. సో మేబీ దట్ ఈస్ ప్రొసీడింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉండాలి అంటే మనకు ఖచ్చితంగా ముందు ఉండాలి. ఒకటి ఉంటే కుదరదు. 2, 3, 4 ఉంటే 3 ఉంటాయి ముందు. 5 ఉంటే 4 ఉంటాయి. 6 ఉంటే ఇట్లా మనం. దట్ ఈస్ ద థీరమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్రూఫ్. This theorem is very important under given some marks is 12 marks this statement. Listen. Now some problems are there. It is vector linear independent. You see directly C V1, V2, V3 is determine whether here V1 minus 1 0 minus 2, V2 3 2 minus 4, V3 minus 3 minus 5 1. What about linearly independent set? Linear independent అవుతుందా కాదా చెప్పమంటాను. What is linear independent? In V1 V2 V3 you consider the linear combination C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus C3 V3 is equal to 0. All C's not equal to 0, linear dependent. All C's is equal to 0, linear independent. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న C1 C2 C3 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఎనీ వన్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్, ఏ ఒక్కటి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయినా లీనియర్ డిపెండ్. ఏది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాకపోతే ట్రైవల్ సొల్యూషన్స్ వస్తే C1 0 C2 0 C3 0 ట్రైవల్ సొల్యూషన్ వస్తే లీనియర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్. నౌ సి హియర్ C1 ఇంటూ V1 ఈజ్ దిస్ -1 0 -2 అండ్ ప్లస్ C2 ఇంటూ V2 ఈజ్ దిస్ 3 2 -4 ప్లస్ C3 ఇంటూ దిస్ -3 -5 1 0 0 0 0. ఇప్పుడు దస్ యూ రైట్ 3 ఈక్వేషన్స్. See 3 equations. What is that 3 equations here? -C1 plus 3C2 plus -3C3 is equal to 0. Here 0. Okay. Now next 2C2 minus 5C3 is equal to 0. Next -2C1 minus 4C2 plus C3 is equal to 0. Now vector formula convert చేయండి. -1 3 -3 with 0 0 2 -5 0 minus 2, minus 4, 1, 0. Rows and columns apply. This is 0. Already 0 is there, 0. Rows and columns upload 3 in 3. R3 you write, what about C? R3 minus 2 R1. Under this is minus 1, 3, minus 3, 0, 0, 2, minus 5, 0. Last is 0, 0, 18, 0. From this. See here. It is what about C? 3 is pivot position. Pivot position means not 0 rows here. 3 also be there. 1, 2, 3. Non-zero rows. Non-zero rows means it is 3 variables are there. 3 non-zero rows. 3 variables. That is equal. There exist only, this case of there exist only trivial solution. Trivial solution means C1 is equal to 0, C2 is equal to 0, C3 is equal to 0. All C is zeros. Therefore, it is linear independent. This set is linear independent. This you see, this process. Again, find this process, B problem also. This is today class. Now, next going to learn other definitions, important definitions and problems and theorems. Thank you. Today class. Okay, my dear students, thank you.